Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition with a twist, boiling. Yes, you heard that right. Boiling isn't just about making things tender, it's about unlocking hidden nutrients that can transform everyday foods into nutritional powerhouses. Join us as we reveal 7 surprising foods that become more nutritious when boiled. Subscribe for healthy secrets, and let's boil up some magic in the kitchen. 7 foods that become more nutritious when boiled. 1. Spinach. Boiled. Spinach contains iron, vitamin A, and folate. 2. Chickpeas. Upon boiling, they become extremely high in protein. 3. Broccoli. Boiling maintains levels of vitamin C and folate. 4. Eggs. Boiled eggs have more protein and less added fat. 5. Carrots. Boiling carrots preserves their beta-carotene content, which the body needs to make vitamin A. 6. Chicken breast. Boiled chicken breast has very little fat and a lot of protein. 7. Sweet potatoes. Vitamins A and C are preserved when they are boiled. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.